Netflix history check, no watched movies and series. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can check your history on Netflix and all of the watched movies and series, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to know Netflix history and series, whatever you have watched, then instead of the app I would recommend that you open up your browser instead, right? So go to netflix.com and log into your account. Then tap on the three lines option located at the top left hand side of the screen. Then you'll go to the option called account over there. So once you go to this option that says account, you will see this type of option over here again. Then from here you can simply scroll down here and you'll find many options in this case where you can simply select a certain profile, and here you can see viewing activity. Then tap on view and there you'll be able to see all of the viewing activity of this person. This way you'll be able to check your history on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon on the next video.